Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back. So today I finally got my shit together. Came in the garage, re-measured the pallet for sending away. As you can see, still looking pretty. It'll look even better when it's back into the bonnet of the car. I'm just about to go into the summer house and put in the dimensions and book collection for the engine. Right, that's a recalculator. I thought I'd saved a piece of paper with all the weights on, you know, the block, the crank, the pistons and rods together, and the oil pump, and of course the half a pallet, because obviously I sawed half a pallet down to put the bits on nice and neatly, plus a kilogram or two for the cardboard boxes. So it's still come in. It's come in at under 70 kilos. So I've just went onto the Parcel Monkey site here, and then basically it's an X day thing, so 84.49 plus the VAT 101.29 sorry. So I'm just going to book it now, so we can get things rolling, get things moving, get it inspected, find out what I'm going to need and stuff like that. So and all the rest of it. And of course, one of the stipulations that these companies do is make sure that the whole pallet is completely covered, and stuff like that. So it's going to put in the length now in centimeters, which is can I go mil? No, I can't, can I? Okay, 70 kilos on that one. So there we go on that one. Centimeters, 70, 55 centimeters, 70 kilos. So I put my email address in there, proceed. Right, okay, so this is going to take a while, so I'll catch up with you in a bit. Right then, welcome back. So in 30 minutes I'll receive an email with instructions explaining how to print my labels, or any labels, and any documentation that I need to send with it. I've protected it. I decided to protect the whole thing up to value of 500 quid, just in case, because I know how couriers are generally. Yeah, we'll see how it goes. So that's it for a minute. I'll catch you away in a bit once it's gone. This is it. Today's the day. Pallet's going away down to Thurston Engineering. Just playing the waiting game, waiting for the courier to turn up. So catch up with you in a bit. Well, the courier's been and gone. The engine and its bits are now safely, hopefully, heading down to Thurston Engineering for Baz and his team to have a look, and hopefully there won't be too much wrong with it. But yeah, we'll see what the score is with the liners. Hopefully they're not hopefully they haven't ovaled. Put my teeth in. Hopefully they haven't ovaled, and they'll be all right for a reseal and a reset. And hopefully everything's all right with the crank and everything else. So they get rebuilt and get it back here and fitted in the car. So so with all that having happened now, and having cleaned the last 2 remaining bits on there, I'm now struggling to see what else I can actually do at the minute, and in relation to the project. So once the guys down in Thurston get the engine and have a look at it, hopefully I'll be getting updates as to what the score is with the various bits and bobs, what's needed to rectify it, and as and when I receive the updates, I will update you guys in the channel, guys and girls in the channel, to let you know how it's all going. So there's not a great deal else at the minute that I can do, so I'm gonna pop the cover off the car, not this weekend but weekend after, and have a look at it, and just, it's not a great deal else. I've tied underneath the bonnet and everything's in order, just waiting for the engine to go back in, basically. I still haven't been able to send the cam cover away. The chap hasn't been in touch yet. I'll send him a message this weekend, asking if he still wants to do the job. I'm hoping he does, because he does some really great work. So, and if that's the case, we can get that over to him, get it back. I can reveal that. I'll bring something to the channel. But yeah, really struggling as to where to go after the next video or 2 with regards to updates. But yeah, that short video, this one, really short one, but a very important one, because it's a tangible moment in the project where the engine has gone now and is away, and it's on its way to being resurrected. So yeah, really chuffed about that. But yeah, I'll finish this video here. As ever, thank you very much for support, and and hello to the new subscribers. Thank you for subscribing. We are now at 914 subscribers, so we're creeping ever closer to the 1,000 mark. Probably won't happen this year. Might not happen next year. I don't know, but at some point we'll get there, and it'll be good. It'll be great. And so yeah, as ever, look after yourselves, take care, and I'll see you in the next video.